Hello everyone, I'm Ritu and today I'm going to talk about how to get your hair healthy, shining, free-flowing and beautiful with the home remedies, the organic things which are always in your kitchen and which are very cheap and it's organic. So for that we would need one bowl, fork. We'll have these 3 eggs. We would need some lemon juice, which I already took it out, and some vitamin E capsules. So so we're gonna crack these eggs. And then we're going to mix it properly. We take this lemon juice, it's about 1.5 lemon juice. I'm going to mix this in here. And we're going to squeeze the vitamin E capsules here. And again mix it well, and we're going to keep this aside for 1 minute so that it's properly settled. And this we can apply in your hair with this brush, or you can use this cotton. The simple way to apply is that just dip this and start from your roots to the ends, or you can either use this, dip it and put it all over your roots and everywhere in your hair, and then tie your hair up and put a shower cap for some time. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it with the lukewarm water. And then shampoo your hair, and you will have nice, healthy, free-flowing, beautiful hair, which actually helps with the damaged hair. So definitely try it out and let me know, and take care. Bye now.